MLS status change form. This next form is really a form for the association. It's a form that needs to be filled out by the agent when they wish to change something on the MLS that cannot be changed because it has been transferred already. So this is usually for agents who are transferring to London Foster and wish to change something on the MLS, but they no longer have access to it because it's under an old broker. So you print this out, you fill it out completely, you want to make sure you scan it, and then you want to make sure that you provide this both to your broker and to the seller so that everybody is in accord, and then you can present this to the association. It's a very simple form, it's very self-explanatory. You want to make sure you write the MLS number, the address, the office ID, which everybody knows it's London Foster is LNFS01. You want to make sure you identify whether it's that you're changing the price, you're extending the listing expiration date, you're transferring from one office to another. You want to put this back on the market. You want to withdraw the listing from the MLS. You want to cancel the listing. You want to take it temporarily off the market. You want to put it as active with contract pending or closing. You fill all this out, you have everybody sign, and then you can send this over to the association. Again, this is something that usually is because you cannot access this listing. As you guys know, we can do all of this if the listing is active. But if the listing was under your old brokerage and it's no longer able to access it, you have to fill out this form, make sure that all the brokers agree and that the seller agrees that this is what you're looking to do.